Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to talk about having a quilt made from some Louisiana EAA chapter shirts collected back in the day. And then we're going to take these shirts, and as you can see, we have quite a few aviation-related shirts that we've collected over the years. We had them in a big Ziploc bag, so mold and mildew and moss couldn't get to them. But we had quite the selection to choose from. So what we did was we did a quick web search and we found a company called Memory Stitch, and they're in Kansas, and they show you how to prepare your shirts. So what we did was we took our shirts and we basically cut them in half.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
And then here's what you do is once you've prepared your shirts, that basically means you cut them along the shoulders, you cut them along the sleeves and the sides, and that gives you a possibility of two panels from each shirt, a front and a back. And in this case, these are the Shop Monkey shirts that are going to go to make one of our quilts. We ended up ordering 6 4x4 panel quilts and 2 8x8 panel shirts. So we've only gotten the little ones back yet, but they've all been very excellent in their quality. But anyway, you basically just cut the shirts in half, and then you decide how you're going to lay them out. And as you can see here, in terms of the Shop Monkey shirts, we had quite a few different colors to choose from. And then once we prepared all our panels, we laid them out in a pattern and we went on from there. And we did that with all the quilts except for one of the big ones. We had a lot of assorted panels left, and we decided to tell them to go ahead and make it however they wanted. So here's the layout of the panels for the Louisiana EAA shirt. We laid them out on the kitchen floor after sweeping up all the cat hair, and as you can see, it just gives a rough idea of where they're going to go. And then from that, we go ahead and we boxed it up. Each of the quilts has their own order number, and they want you to write that on the outside of the box when you mail them in, and we followed those instructions to the letter. And so here's what you get back after you send it off to Memory Stitch. And as you can see, we have the top gaiter up in the front, a Louisiana Chapter 697 EAA shirt with pocket. We have a Blue Ash Airport panel. We have a couple of yellow ones. We have the Learn to Fly at Schmidt, something from Hogan Field, Butler County. Again, the air show staff at Blue Ash. Another one from another year, same color, from 2009 up at Oshkosh, Life is 2D, Why Fly. Air show staff again, Schmidt Aviation in orange, and then finally the year that we had the American flag on it. So ladies and gentlemen, that's the quilt you get back when you send them off. That's a 4x4 quilt, about $19 and some pennies to mail them up. With the coupon code of 45% off, they were $55 a quilt like that. Hope you found it useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're having fun.
You know, forget buying expensive toys for your kittens and cats. We find that just taking the aircraft spruce box and the paper on the tile floor is more than enough amusement for them for hours.